Hey guys, again welcome to another tutorial of the Evil Twin framework. Today's session is going to be all about creating Evil Twin access points. I've went ahead and created this session, Evil Twins. I have the code in the whole project in the background, so you can check out what happens in the background. Let me just show you this. So yeah, let's get into it. The module that creates access point is the air host. Its arguments are AP interface and internet interface. This one is the one connected to the internet. The other one is going to run your access point, and you should have both in order to be able to route packets from one interface to another. So to configure the access point parameters, you can go to AP launcher, and here you have all these arguments which you can configure yourself. It supports web also. You can specify a password. It also works with EAP authentication. So I have a couple tests ready. So the first one is going to be capturing a half WPA handshake with an Evil Twin attack. The half WPA handshake is just as good as a regular one. So I'm gonna start the air host with a credential sniffer. This is a plugin that we've already used, and it's again going to be used to capture half WPA handshakes. So now I'm going to connect with my phone to this, to my access point. I'm gonna type in like a random password, but if this was automated, say if you had cached this network in your phone, then it would simply just spit out the real password. Well, the real WPA handshake. So I'm gonna stop here, host. For another example, I'm going to set the SSID to EAP demo, which is another SSID that my phone has already cached in its system. I'm also gonna set the authentication to EAP. Now we can simply start the air host. It uses host APD WPE in the background, which is specially made for launching Evil Twin attacks on EAP networks. It will accept any client, or you can configure it that way. And once they connect and maybe even accept a certificate, their username and hash credentials will appear right here. So yeah, that's just another example. I'm gonna stop the air host again. And actually I'm gonna start the air scanner for just a second. I'm gonna check out the display sniffed probes. Should be some. Okay, that's enough. Stop air scanner. Now imagine you want to copy, this network has been probed for, you want to copy it. You simply go copy, and you can go AP or probe. So this time I'm gonna copy a probe with ID number 2. So copy probe 2. Now if I list args, all the known configurations have been copied. I'm just gonna switch up the BSSID to 0, because if you have the same BSSID as another network, it might cause problems to any of the connected clients, and they won't be able to connect to you. Okay, so the SSID has been copied, and the encryption is set to none, which is the same as open, I guess. And yeah, we are going to set configuration of the catch-all honeypot to true. A catch-all honeypot you can use to discover the encryption type of a network that's been probed for. What it does, it launches a 4 access points, one with open or no encryption, one with web, another one with WPA PSK, another one with WPA EAP. This way, clients will automatically connect to you, and you can identify which encryption, what encryption the network uses. So now that I've set it to true, and I can check it with list args again, and I'm actually going to change the SSID. This was just to show you that you can copy it. So setconf SSID catch all. Yeah, so there we go. I'm gonna start the air host simply, and okay, just to show you that all these access points have been created, I'm gonna run arrow dump on my other Wi-Fi interface, and you can see, wait, I'm even gonna filter it, catch all. Okay, and here you see we have an interface running catch all with open, another one with web, another one with WPA PSK, and another one with WPA EAP authentication managed, means it's EAP. Yeah, so that's it for now, guys. Oh, I haven't shown you that you actually can display half WPA handshakes. Here you go. Yeah, and that's it. The EAP credentials, they are saved here in data, just the same way the WPA handshakes do. EAP hashes are here in hashes. Our test should be the last one, as you can see, test user. Okay, yeah, thank you guys.